Hi, this will be your WordPress.com overview to show you how to get started with WordPress and making your portfolio website. The first thing you want to do is go over to WordPress.com. The team leader can go there, and to start a new blog, just click Get Started Here or Sign Up Now. So in Get Started Here, you can choose the blog address, whatever you want, and you might make it something like, I don't know, IETTP Team 1 or IETTP Technology class, or I don't know, something interesting and useful that can distinguish you from the other people. Team leader can choose a username and password, confirm the password, put the email address, blah blah blah. Definitely do free. You don't want to pay. This one we'll just do a free one. And then you can sign up for your new blog. And I've already done that, so I'm going to log in at the top here. And it says that I can get a new blog address, but I don't care about the new blog address. There's my avatar, and those are two blogs I already have. This one, JJU English, is the one that I'm using for this site. So let me just, for this class in fact, let me just click that and go to my site. So here is my site for this class, the IETTP class. This is your lab assignment today. And let me show you a little bit about WordPress. Here at the top you can make a new post like this if you want, but I prefer just to go to the dashboard. Dashboard can be found here, and that's where you can find anything. This is the short link for your site. You can copy this link and give me in the comment section if you want, or you can copy the actual link at the very top of the screen here. And this is statistics, your site viewing statistics. So let's go to the dashboard really quick. Oh, the dashboard. There we go. So this is the back end of WordPress. You can see all of these nice things. I have a lot of posts, one page, many categories, tags, comments, blah blah blah. Here's statistics. This one, that was for final tests. That's why I have so many views. Here on the left side you can see all of the things you can do. The important ones are posts. You will want to add new post, which is where you create a new post with your descriptions. So at the top you can make a title like Dialogue with Joel. You want to make the title, what did you study and who is the teacher? And then down here you can create the three parts: the description, the resource, the link to the resource, which is where you would link to your actual dialogue or something you did with that teacher, and then your reflection. And of course you can title these with big heading 1 descriptions, push enter and start typing your body text. That's fine. You can save your draft, you can preview it, you can change publication dates, etc. You can create categories to classify it under. In your case, you might add a new category and choose speech class or something. For my class, you could add a new category and choose technology class. Under tags, you can just add many nouns or descriptive adjectives or things that relate to this post. For example, you could put in here dialogue and Joel and two people and things like that. And that's the basics of creating a post. I also want to show you how to invite users so that you can create multiple users on the site. So to find users, go all the way down here to users and click invite new user. Yes, leave this page. In invite new users, now you can decide who to add. So you can add many different email addresses if you want. I will add one of mine. That's one of mine. You can separate multiple emails with commas like this. Here's another one of mine. Another email, but I don't want that right now. And then you can choose a role. for the person, administrator, editor, or author. We'll just do author. You can add a comment if you want. Let's send the invitation. And now you can see there's this invitation down there waiting for me to accept. So let me go to my email, log in, and here I have the invitation from me to become an author. So yes, I will accept the invitation. Oops, you can't use an activation key you've created for someone else. Okay, so I've already done this step and it's not going to let me redo it, but that's how you will invite users. So go back here and you can invite all of your team members as users here. And when they accept, it will take them to WordPress.com where they have to make their own profile, their own username and login, and they can do that, and then they should be able to log in to WordPress.com and go to your site that you created. So then when you're creating posts, let me go to all posts. This is an example post I created for you. I think over here in the side where it says status draft, visibility public, publish immediately, publicize, blah blah blah, there should also be a link for author. You can choose the author who wrote this. I think it should be over there after you have multiple authors. So there should be like a drop down menu where you can select the author who wrote it. And if you can't find that, then why don't you just at the top, either in the title here, you can write your name, or in the beginning description here, you can write your name. If you can't figure out how to add an author, you can always ask Nina to help you too. But if you can't figure out how to add an author, just make sure your name is somewhere in the post so that I know who wrote it, so that I can give everyone full credit. And then you'll want to write your description, add your resources. Here I added a link, an image about the gradebook that we created, and here is the link to the gradebook, and then here's my reflection on the gradebook. Let me show you how to add media. It's really simple. To add media, you can click this Add Media button, and you can select files here, or if you want, you can shrink that and you can drag over something from your desktop like this, and it will add the media like that. And then I can give it this title or change the title, insert into post, and there, it inserted into post, but not exactly where I wanted it. Let me cut it and put it down here where I want it, and change it, not heading 1, change it to paragraph. Let's check. Yep, that's good. And then I will choose the category. This is teacher training. I will add some tags. Gradebook, ETTP, JJU, reflection, final, etc. And then let me just publish that. And that is the basics of creating a WordPress website, creating a post, adding some media, and adding some users. And the last thing I want you to do before you finish is you need to copy your WordPress.com site address, copy that, and take it back to the final lab assignment here, the one with overview and teams and your pictures, and put it in the comment section down here. Paste your blog title and post comment like that. And if you want to leave me a little note, that would be fine too. I like notes. If you want to give me your short link, that's okay. You can copy that and post that. Here's the short link. And that'll be fine. As long as I can access your blog, then I can check who wrote what and I can give you some grades. And that's all you need to do today. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a fun final lab, and don't stress out about it too much. It's mostly to help you learn how to use a blog and to collect your projects that you worked on throughout the course. So thanks. I had a lot of fun this semester. I hope you did too. I look forward to seeing you again sometime. Okay, bye.